No.
She said no.
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 Please don't do
Yeah.
anything to me.
If you desire for a professional career in television, radio, and music interviews,
Shut up, McDonald's bird.
and education it takes to make it in the real world. The International College of Broadcasting. Call or log on to today.
I'm getting a divorce. I need to find
Mercy, I got a question. One question. One question. No.
Dude, I don't know either. Get the fuck away from me. Just what the fuck? Put it up, please.
See your butt crack.
I'm scared.
This is 3D. Chelsea, don't move. It's fine. I won't hurt you. It's 3D. It just came right towards you.
Please don't bring it over here.
Chelsea's recording.
I don't like getting scared.
It won't bite you.
God, get it off.
Nope.
Get it off.
Grab it off your head.
Get it off.
It's eating the lice off your head.
Oh my God. Get it off. No. It's so...
Stop.
I thought it would fly. Get it off.
Please get it off of me.
If I scared it. Don't put it up. Just get it off of me. Oh, Briana.
It's really not that bad, truly.
Truly.
Hey, this is my favorite game to play. Watch. When it flies, you're gonna catch it. You ready? Ready? You ready? Bird. Come on, you don't lean back. Don't lean back. You are so... Oh shit. Chelsea. Oh shit.
Oh shit, Tyler.
Come here, birdie. Come here.
Okay, you guys. Okay, so if you can rock your shirt.
Oh my God.
There we go.
Tyler.
Let's go, Jesse, and let's get to work.
Wait, let's get it. Oh, fuck. Go. Okay, go. Wait.
Hey, it's beneath the couch. It's underneath the couch.
I'm really scared. Please put it up. Please, no, it's not. I'm gonna cry.
Go. Go, Tyler. Go. Go.
No, please.
Alright, put it up. I'm done. I'm done.
Oh, shoot.
You're right. Stop.
You should have seen Briana.
Where's the bird?
I looked that way and I acted like he was coming that way, so she started running. She didn't know which way to go. She kept bumping into me. I seriously, I felt
Go get that green one out. I dare you.
No. I felt my phone in my pocket. I thought it was a bird. I swear to God. That's right here. Put it up before I punch you. Just put it up. Please put it up. No, please.
Stop running. It's gonna hurt. It won't even bite you. Will you please hold it? Just hold it. You won't do nothing. Just stick one finger out. Watch. It won't bite you at all. It'll just sit there. See?
They're scared of this?
Oh, shit.
Chelsea has it in her hand. Is it biting you at all?
No.
I told you.
It's just sitting here.
I got it called. I called it all. I used to hold it.
It's a groovy little bird. Shake it. It's really not scary.
I'll show you a bird.
The other green one on Briana.
No, please
The
don't.
green one will bite the shit out of you. Please don't put it around me. Please put it around me.
He just catches it like a ball.
I don't squeeze it though.
Oh.
How much you love me?
Please don't throw it on me, Tyler. Seriously don't.
Yeah, please.
If you do, I'm gonna punch you in the eye.
I was gonna say something, but you'd be like,
I'm out of breath from running. Eat it. It kisses Matthew and Tyler. The green one does. The green one's nice too.
only to Matthew.
God, that's so funny. I swear to God on everything when I felt my foot in my pocket, I thought it was a bird.
Why are you scared of it, Chelsea?
It just, I don't expect it. I'm not,
It got on my toe and I thought it was gonna bite my toe off. Oh, why do you spin like that?
Please.
Just hold it.
No, please. I
Briana,
really don't like it.
put your finger out. You swing your hand like that.
It won't bite you if you just hold it like that.
I will throw it at you ever again. I will throw it at you right now. I will make it fly right now. Hold it one time.
If you really do put your hand out like that, it does really, I swear to God, it doesn't bite you.
Yeah, get it off.
dude, just chill. It's fine. It's not gonna hurt you.
I'm scared of shit of birds. When they fly, it pisses me off. Sounds like they're trying to say something. I don't want to, please, come on.
Just let me try one time. I can get it in.
It's not gonna do anything.
But I don't like it.
It likes being on your head.
No, it's just chilling.
That's like a
I wish it
nest.
would poop so bad.
I would punch you in the face or something. Will you please just hold it one time?
Really don't like it at all. It really doesn't.
Now you just made me mad. Now you're
So
getting me
sorry.
thrown at you.
No, please don't.
Come on, man, I don't got no pants on.
Please.
Whoa.
Dude, I got a boogie in my nose. This is blow my
Here,
nose.
Brianna.
Please. Stop. I don't like it.
Just hold it one time.
Stop throwing it.
I didn't even do that. But alright.
I really don't like it.
I deserve to be so.
I don't have any pants on. Please stop.
I really don't like it.
Why would you even disrespect Big Shit?
Please don't throw it on my legs. It's gonna hurt. I'll burn that motherfucker.
I'll kill you. Get away from Brianna then, because it's going on her.
Please, just put it up. I don't
One
Brianna, watch. Give it to me, Tyler.
One way or another, you're holding the bird. I don't care. You're not leaving without holding. It won't get off of me sometimes.
Alright, cool.
It's a good bird. It's just
It's fine, but I don't like it.
Is this yours?
Why are you so scared of it?
No, I just don't like it at all.
yellow.
Where'd you get this at? It's hot.
Is that what you're wearing tomorrow?
It's hot. It's hot. It's hot, bro. It's hot, bro.
Dude,
No, I really don't like it.
I almost pissed my pants. I swear to God, I thought it
I
was in
swear
my
to
it
God.
really is.
I
Easy, and I
swear
really don't like
to
it. I
God.
really don't
On
like it.
everything, I'll never throw it at you again. But if you don't want the bird, I will wait till you're asleep and I will put it on your
I
forehead.
really don't like it.
Alright, you're getting it on the forehead, I guess.
Please.
You're getting my bird on. You're getting my bird on your forehead tonight and tomorrow night.
You're getting a hawk on your head tomorrow.
Oh.
Look how,
Try to say Tyler knew penis. She sure did.
I was really talking about birds outside, not Tyler.
Dude, she up, you're cracking up in the kitchen. I look here and act like he was coming this way. Now I look over there. She was running back and forth.
Hold the damn bird.
Shit.
I won't even bite you.
I don't like
I
their
don't
feet.
like it.
Yeah.
They're sharp.
Hey, can you come down?
Fly away, birdie. Be free.
Please don't. I really don't like it.
I would laugh at shit right now.
What if it's shooting your eye?
I have a shitty eye. Oh.
What the shit?
Those are the picking them scaly wags out of her eye.
My eye.
Oh shit! Where'd it go?
Right.
Dude, that just almost made me. I swear to God, I thought it was in my pocket. I thought I was about to squash it.
The little pig.
All I felt was my phone move. Now you know where the fuck I went.
The whole West Coast.
Yeah, because the birds are damn birds because I really don't like it.
Bringing us back to the bigger lady.
Easy.
And embracing your chunkiness.
That's a good idea.